guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your Maureen Tech, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I monitor my kids' phone. This application is called Family Link. You can download it at Google Play Store, and it's available in almost all Android phones. I'm not sure if it's going to work with iPhones because I haven't tried it yet, but for other Android mobile phones, I never had any problem using it. What I love with this application is that it gives you an option to block or allow an application on your kid's phone. So if you're a bit worried if they've been playing, let's say, Call of Duty the entire day, you don't need to worry anymore because you do have an option to block it or to set a limit for that application. Alright, so let's start. As you can see, we do have two phones on the screen. On the left is my daughter's phone, and on the right side is my phone. So we're gonna set our phone first for Family Link. So open Google Play Store and search for Family Link for Parents. So just type in Family Link for Parents. I already have it on my screen, so if you have it on yours, you can just click on install. Let's give it a few seconds. Alright, there you go. So click on open. Alright, so select the account that we will be using to monitor them. On the upper right part of the screen, you can see the plus sign. Just click on that, hit on next, and take note of this code. We're going to be using this code later, so take note of that code. Okay, so now let's grab our kid's phone. Open Google Play Store. If they're not signed in, go ahead and log into their account. If they don't have one yet, you can just create one. Just hit on create account for my child. In my case, my daughter already has her Google account, so I'm just gonna go ahead and log into her account. Alright, I'm already on Google Play Store now. Let's search for Family Link for Children and Teens. So I have the application here, and let me just install it. Click on install on your phone as well. If I'm going too fast, you can just pause or play back. Alright, so let's go ahead and hit on open and select this device. Choose your kid's account and wait for the screen to load. Remember the code on your phone earlier? You're gonna have to type it in here now. So just type in the code. Let me just type mine. I have TCX3T. Oops. Oh, let me just go back. TSS6T. And we're gonna have to type in your kid's password. Click on join and wait for our phone screen to change. So grab your phone now, and there you go. So it's done setting up. Okay, hit on next, and Okay, so these are the applications that my daughter has on her phone. Click on next and done. Let me just show you guys. I'm gonna block my daughter's phone right now. Let me just show you. Alright, there you go. Let me just unlock it. Alright, you can lock it back. Now, if they're begging for a few more minutes, you can give them a bonus time, let's say 5 to 10 minutes. You do have an option to do that. And don't need to go back anymore, it will just automatically lock. So this is my favorite part. You'll have an option to set a bedtime schedule for their phone. So once it turns 9 in the evening, it will automatically lock, and the next day it will unlock by itself. Okay, so here you will have an option to set a limit on your application. You can block them or you can put a time limit. So let's say you don't want them to be using Call of Duty the entire day. So you can give them, for me, I don't block it, I just give them like an hour or two game time for Call of Duty and a few hours as well for Mobile Legends. Okay, for Messenger, I also give them a limit. I don't want them to be chatting everybody. So that's it. And just don't give them their passwords, okay? Because if they do have your password, they're gonna be able to unblock their phone. So that's it. Alright, so that's it for today. So thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you guys next time.